Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix iOS update stock on requested. For that, first of all, you need to make sure that you have stable internet connection. Once you check that, if it is still not working, then the next thing you need to do is force restart your device. To force restart, you just have to press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button. Then a black screen will appear and your phone will be restart. And check if it works. If it is still not working, then simply launch settings on your device. Now tap on General and scroll down to the last. There you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Hit on that. From there, choose the Reset option and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode and your phone will again restart and your issue might get solved. But before putting your phone in iOS update, you must check your iPhone storage. So simply go through the General and tap on iPhone storage. And make sure that you have enough storage to update your iOS. Once you check all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.